no doubt in my mind that one of the single most valuable learning sessions for cattlemen and women is Cattlemen's College, held each year as part of the cattle industry convention. The 22nd annual Cattlemen's College will take place in San Antonio, Texas in February. And here to talk more about Cattlemen's College is Dr. Keith Belk, professor of animal sciences at Colorado State University. Dr. Belk, welcome back to the show.
Thank you.
Well, first of all, give us your perspective of the overall value of Cattlemen's College.
I think, in my experience working with Cattlemen's College at several different annual conventions, it is a huge opportunity for producers to sort of see where the rubber meets the road relative to new technologies that have been developed or released, relative to just understanding the financial aspects of being in the cattle business. And this year, I think they're going to have a really great opportunity to perhaps understand a little better how their management decisions back on the ranch or farm has an impact on the value of the products that are produced as a consequence of their production systems. So we're excited about it.
So let's talk about your session. I'm told your session is going to focus on creating more value from market cows. Is that right? That
is exactly right. We've been asked to do a program that we have in the past referred to as gate to plate. And we're going to actually have some hands-on opportunities to look at some live cold cows and bulls. And then we're going to have some carcasses and products that result from different management systems associated with those cold cows and bulls. And I think the producers will really enjoy being able to see firsthand what the impact is of various decisions and management techniques that they use, what the impact is of those decisions on the product.
Why do you think this topic is so timely for this year's Cattlemen's College?
Well, I think, as everybody knows, we have prices that are out of this world. We're seeing record prices and pretty much across the board in beef. And that's also true in beef that's produced from cold cows and bulls, and in fact probably more so. As we start to rebuild the cow herds, we're reducing the supply of those types of animals on the market. The demand hasn't went away because the lean beef produced from those cows is used in an awful lot of stuff that we produce in the United States. And so these cows are worth a lot of money. And so I think that this is a really good opportunity to see how just a few management decisions can help producers return the greatest amount of value back for their hard work in producing these animals.
And I understand you have some expert help that's going to be assisting you. Is that right?
We do. We're really excited. Dr. Gary Smith, who most producers will know, is going to come back and he's going to help us moderate this session. Dr. Daryl Tatum is going to lead us down the live cow and bull evaluation portion of the session. And then Dr. Dale Warner, who's sort of been serving as the coordinator on this session, is going to work with myself, and we're going to show everybody what the carcasses and the products look like out of these different production systems.
Well, so you mentioned earlier on that this is going to be a real hands-on experience. Tell us more about that.
Well, we're actually bringing some cold cows and bulls, probably cows, into San Antonio to take a look at that Daryl Tatum's going to use to show what differences look like relative to the different production systems that might be used with them. And then we're going to actually bring a great big trailer that we have that has a cooler on it and has glass windows on it. And we're going to bring that down to San Antonio, and you're going to be able to see what the different carcasses look like out of these different production systems pretty easily, and perhaps even handle those carcasses and this unit that we have that's going to be available. So it truly is going to be hands-on.
Sounds like a fascinating session. We'll look forward to attending.
Thank you.
To find out more about Cattlemen's College in 2015 and to see the full agenda, just visit the website beefusa.org.